Have you been told you can't enter Canada because of a past criminal charge or conviction? It's a difficult moment, but it doesn't have to be the end of the story. At Bellissimo Law Group, we may be able to help you overcome criminal inadmissibility to be able to visit, work, or even immigrate to Canada. So let's break down what criminal inadmissibility means and look at the options that you may have going forward. Criminal inadmissibility means that Canada immigration authorities have found you ineligible to enter or remain in Canada because of a past offense or conviction. This could be related to any conviction, even if it happened decades ago. If you're convicted in another country, what matters is how it's interpreted or equivalent under Canadian law. Some of the most common reasons people are found criminally inadmissible to Canada include DUI, theft, fraud, and drug-related offenses. Even if offense was minor where it occurred, Canadian immigration may consider it serious. That's why it's so important to understand how your history will be treated before you apply to Canada. Can you still enter Canada with criminal convictions? Yes, you can in many situations. There are legal remedies that may help you overcome criminal inadmissibility either temporarily or permanently. This would be a temporary resident permit or criminal rehabilitation. Eligibility will turn on your history, how much time has passed since you've completed your sentence, and if in fact you can demonstrate that you are rehabilitated. Temporary resident permit, or often referred to as a TRP, can allow someone to enter for a temporary period of time. There, however, must be a specific reason that is compelling. That could be for work, a family event, or an urgent need. To get a TRP successfully, you must show that you're not a risk to Canada and that your reasons for coming are grounded. TRP applications should be detailed with supporting evidence and clearly explain why an exception should be made in your case. While a TRP is a temporary solution, criminal rehabilitation is a permanent one if granted. You are able to apply for criminal rehabilitation if 5 years have passed since you completed your sentence. If criminal rehabilitation is granted, you're then able to move forward with any other immigration applications to visit, study, or immigrate to Canada. Like its namesake, a criminal rehabilitation application really focuses on whether or not you have in fact been rehabilitated and if you no longer present a risk to Canada. There is also deemed rehabilitation, which is based on the passage of time, but it doesn't apply to every type of conviction. This will depend on the type of offense, whether or not you've ever reoffended, and how long it has been since you were convicted. It can be a complex area, so it's always best to speak with a lawyer before you appear at a port of entry for deemed rehabilitation. What if you're already in Canada? Your ability to stay, renew your status, or apply for permanent residence could be at risk. Unfortunately, not only do you face a refusal of your application, but you could face deportation. So the same legal remedies do apply for people within Canada as well: temporary resident permit and criminal rehabilitation. There are also additional avenues where you can seek relief, the Federal Court of Canada, or even an Immigration Appeal Division. Getting legal advice and help early is critical. Criminal inadmissibility cases can be complex. It is often because the Canadian criminal equivalent is not always straightforward. A single conviction, or sometimes even just a charge, can mean different things under Canadian law. Decisions are based on a mix of legal interpretation, timing, and your personal circumstances. At Bellissimo Law Group, we will carefully analyze all these circumstances. This way we can develop the best possible legal strategy going forward. Our office has handled some of the most complicated criminal inadmissibility cases throughout the country. We've helped clients from all over the world access Canada even after facing tremendous legal barriers. Whether it's filing a TRP, submitting a criminal rehabilitation, or appealing a removal order, our team will bring decades of experience together with a deep understanding of not just immigration law but also criminal law. Second chances are possible, and we're here to help you get it. If you've been denied entry to Canada or worried about a past conviction, we're here to help. Visit bellissimolawgroup.com to find out how our team can help you. You can also book a consultation and get personalized advice from an experienced immigration lawyer. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, or comment. And follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and X to get trusted updates on Canadian immigration.